What's up, SBM gang? Today I'm back with another tutorial, and it's really no shade. Shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending me this bomb, emphasis on bomb ass blonde wig. This wig came so full. I thought they added an extra 2 bundles to the wig. The density on this wig was 200, but it felt like 250. The color placement on the highlights is so professionally done. It was giving me like LA 90210 balayage. Like, it wasn't giving me just regular highlight peanut butter wig. It was giving me very much, oh, I'm a blondie in the Barbie world. Like, it's no shade. The color was just perfect. The density was perfect. The lace was transparent, but super easy to blend. I only put a little bit of makeup. Today I'm using my Boho Active Cream. I rarely use this one just because I'm so in love with the lemon burst and how it smells. But I wanted to do a quick install. Zari had to go out and I didn't want to take all day. I didn't use my tape or anything. I just did 3 layers of Boho Active the old school way. And this wig was locked in. Like, when you use your products right, when you clean your skin properly and use your skin protectant and apply your 3 thin layers and let them dry evenly and clear, your wig is going to be just as strong and just as tight. It's no shade. So her wig is lasting. We did an updo and all and added tracks to the ponytail, and it was a very secure look. And the wig was heavy and long and fuller, and it still gave what needed to give. So shout out to Boho. Make sure y'all check out the products on thehairdiagram.com.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, yo. You always gotta fight life and the demons, yo. Negative thoughts and poison the rock. Head full of flaws, so you come across. I never stop unless I got all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts, control and take it. I got patience, one day at a time. Decided operating cadence. You cross, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit because it's temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds can put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. This life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
For my baby hairs, you guys already know I love to curl them. And when I'm doing like quick hairstyles, I use my hairspray. I don't got time for the mousse unless I'm taking my time and trying to do the most. But today was not that day. So I used my spray and my comb and I formed these edges. And I just tied them back down one last time so they can really set and be in place. You guys already know how I do my curls. I'm using my Heat curling iron. I wanted to curl it. Zari wanted it straight, but you know, she didn't really stand her ground, so bitch, I ended up curling it. But then once I was done, I was like, damn, we should have did it straight. Look how it looked the next day when she straightened it. So cute, so hot, and I kind of regret curling it, but it being curled was still hot too. Like, come on. They both was cute. I just think straight would have been cuter, no shade. But shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending me this bomb ass wig. This wig was high quality. I will have all the info for it in the description box below. Keep subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my content. Guys, we're almost at 10K. Shout out to y'all, period.